We've got a last minute movie date, so I need to get a meal on the table in 15 minutes. Let's see what I come up with. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I'm answering the question of what's for dinner, but what's for dinner in 15 minutes. I thought about the challenge issued by Clueless Mama D a couple of weeks ago, and me and my grandchildren created a meal which did not quite meet the spirit of the challenge. It took us more like 30 minutes, but I think I can do this today. I decided that what I would do is I would use this Weight Watchers Tasty Bite, which is the brown rice and lentils, and it's brown rice and lentils and a few veggies. You can put it in the microwave and it cooks in 90 seconds. I have some leftover turkey from a turkey tenderloin meal that I cooked the other day, and it's probably just enough for two sparingly. But we're going to go to the movies and get popcorn, so that'll even out whatever hunger he might still have. He should be good. So now this package cooks enough for one. So I'll make two of these. I'll dice this, I'll cut this turkey up and then put it on top of that, and then I will serve it with some cranberry sauce. Bread and drink, and we will have a meal on the table quickly. So let me get it started. Here's my timer. Now go ahead and get this open. And for those of you that need to know, this particular little packet is worth 6 points. Now my husband's not concerned about the points, but I am. So just know that this is a 6-point meal. And then when you add the turkey, since it's turkey breast, right now the turkey breast is 0 points. So let me get this in the microwave. Set those in there. I set that for 90 seconds. Now I will cut up this turkey. I'll just cut the turkey in small little slices, just like when I cooked the tenderloin the other day. Open the cranberry sauce. Let's see. And this is the whole berry sauce. I prefer the whole berry. I just love cranberry sauce. I eat cranberry sauce almost every day, or I could. I eat it like people eat corn and beans. I have cranberry sauce. So there's the cranberry sauce. It's ready to go. We'll get a couple plates down. I'll pop this in the microwave when I take the other out. I'll get these out and this in. I'm just going to put that on about 40 seconds because I don't want that to get too dry. And I've also got a jar of gravy in the fridge. Let me grab that. Heinz gravy, I'll pop it in the microwave, let it warm up for just a little bit. Summoned him from the garage. Let's get this on the plate. A little cranberry sauce. Let's clean this counter up. I always think about what Gordon Ramsay would say about a filthy plate or a filthy counter. So here's the gravy. Pour a little in this pitcher. And now let me get the table set. So here's a close-up of the plate. Again, it's the brown rice and lentils with turkey tenderloins and whole berry cranberry sauce and a glass of lemonade. I'm going to get it on the table and we're going to get out the door. And here's my timer. I have 1 minute and 29 seconds left to go, and my meal is ready to put on the table. So thank you, Clueless Mama D, for just kind of making me rethink some things. I would have thought previously that I wouldn't have had time to get a meal on the table. And we talked about eating out or eating in, and then he said, well, can't you fix something in an hour? And I thought to myself, I'm going to fix something in 15 minutes. So there you go. Now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. But before I go, let me leave you with a question for the day. What part of this quick meal did you find most interesting? Was it the fact that I had this little Weight Watcher box of brown rice and lentils on hand, which you can really cook very quickly, and there are other brands you can get at Kroger's, or the turkey tenderloins, or what? Tell me about it in the comment section below. Or were you just kind of surprised that I could just come up with something that quickly? Anyway, I've learned new things from being in the pantry challenge. So anyway, I'm rambling. Goodbye.